Kit. I don't know what kit to take. Going swordsman. This isn't OP, right? No, I don't think so. Normal. Okay. Oh, good. Nobody's actually breaking the chests, but remember, we have another player on this team, so we have to be quick. Oh yeah, 2 other players. We have to be quick when grabbing the stuff.
Where's the other chest? Yeah, see.
Yeah, grab the lapis as well. You never know, you might need it.
I thought this was. I grab everything in chests, honestly. Ooh,
Yeah, don't. You have to leave stuff for the players.
Anvil is not a good one. We already have an anvil.
What? You found an anvil?
No, yeah, we have an anvil, so I don't know why I chose anvil.
What? Oh, the kit.
Yeah.
Not on all maps. Anvil is good for angelic, on OP. Anvil is good for whenever you play normal, when you can enchant stuff. So for all maps that have an enchanting table on there but have no anvils. To be honest, when you have a sharpness 4 sword with fire aspect in normal, you're just OP. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we have an anvil here already. That's great.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah. I don't know why I put aside all the Oh, I don't know why I put aside all the other diamond swords. I should have kept them.
Oh wait, you have more diamond swords? I need more diamond swords.
I have 1 diamond sword.
Okay. Is there any way we can get some more diamond swords?
I'm going down. Maybe if you mine the diamonds. But it looks like the other guys just took the spare diamond swords. I don't know why, since they don't seem to be planning on.
I'm gonna get rid of all these swords.
Do you have? Oh, I have a pickaxe. I'm going to be mining all these diamonds and be getting diamond swords. Okay.
Oh my god, I can't believe I mined all of
Okay.
Do you have any lapis on you?
I have 19 diamonds, but yeah, 28 lapis.
You have 20. Oh my god, I need to.
Yeah, well, I grab the lapis when I see it, dude.
I mean, I grab lapis too, but I feel like I never get lapis.
Okay, I'm coming up to the enchanting table. I've got.
If you come down with me, and
I've got.
some lapis, don't you do it?
I've got 7. Oh, I've already got 7 levels, but with all these diamonds. Okay. I have 34 diamonds. That's enough to make a few good swords. Yeah, we're good. Can you just go around and watch to make sure there aren't any people bridging to us?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So.
I just need to,
Oh, when you splash XP, just splash a few levels first and unbreaking, sharpness. Oh, okay.
Here, I can.
Wait, why are the bookcases broken?
Oh, that was me.
Oh, okay.
Because I totally forgot to move the actual thing itself, so I broke all the cases.
Yeah, now I'm gonna make a table and remake those bookcases. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2 books.
Hey, can you pass me some lapis?
Yeah, sure. Gonna give you half of what I have. How much do you have?
1.
That'll last you a little while. I want that diamond sword. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Do you want diamond stuff? I'm making myself a diamond chest plate.
Oh, yeah. If you can do that, can I have a chain or a diamond head? Diamond palm?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Diamond helm. There. Teammate as well. There. Boots for you as well. Boots.
Oh,
he took both. Boots. And
yeah, he took both.
yeah. Okay. Did Logan give her a helm?
Nah, yeah. I don't know what's up.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, 26 diamonds. I'm gonna make a few diamond swords. So that's yeah, I'm gonna make myself maybe 4 extra diamond swords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3.
Oh wait, I hear you guys. Smite?
Okay.
Are you kidding me? If you put in different things, see. Where is it?
It's at the bottom of the ladder. That leads up to the top.
The trees even?
Yep. At the bottom of the ladder, there's a chest on your left.
Oh, is it iron?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
But it's still very good. Okay,
Alright, where's the enchantment table?
I've got it in my inventory.
Alright, can you place it? I'm gonna come up and enchant something and get out.
Yeah, just follow me.
Here, wait, were you?
If you follow me, the others are gonna follow you, and that'll be great.
Alright, here. Yeah, this guy's following me right now.
Yeah, we want everyone.
You brought the anvil as well, right?
Yep.
Alright, cool. And that's
Because
the anvil.
yeah, because anvils break easily. Okay, nobody seems to be down here, so just check the surroundings. Okay, this looks safe. I'm gonna search for XP bottles.
Alright.
Oh, they emptied the chests, like completely. It's just a whole desert of empty chests. Why? Why did they have to gobble so much?
Those assholes. Alright, fine.
Oh, that guy's got XP. I need XP. Please.
I've got. Yeah,
Oh,
I've
that
got
was you.
XP.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, I mean, if you want it, you can have the rest of mine.
Oh, thanks.
I got what I needed.
Yeah, I need 5 XP levels.
Alright, here you go. Alright, but if you get any more bottles, I call them.
Oh, you call them. I'll give you 9 back.
Dude, no, just give you 5 bottles, dude. I just need the rest back.
That's 5. I got 5 levels from that. That's great.
Alright, so what are you at now? What's your bow?
That's sharp. It's sharp 1, but let's
I have
see.
an extra sharp one if you need one.
Here. Do you want to look at this? Where are you?
Here,
There.
here's the extra sharp one.
Yeah, I have lots of sharp ones.
Nice. Oh wait.
Yeah, it's got
you
the bane
add
of.
a sharp one to this,
Yeah, I've got an extra sharp one. I've got.
wait, I'm gonna see if I can add this to this.
Wait.
I just wanna see how many.
I'll pass you. I'll pass you
Dude,
2
we have
swords. Yeah. Look.
We have 11. Wait, I just passed it back to you.
Oh, okay. And the 2 others.
Here, you want me to?
Can you pass me?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If I have a sharp 3 on me right now.
We just need XP.
Yeah, we just need. If we get XP, we're good.
You have a sharp 3. Nice.
Yeah, I have a sharp 3.
Okay.
That's what I've been working on.
I need. I think I'll add knockback to make it knockback to fire aspect, and you
It would
get.
suck if like we went through all this work and then we just get hit off.
Yeah, it's happened to me before. You don't have a diamond chestplate. Mid?
Oh, yeah.
You sure mid?
I should go.
I think going to the next island's better. Can we check if there are ores to mine?
Sure. Do you sell those XP bottles?
Oh, coal. That's great.
Do you have XP bottles too? Oh. Hey, maybe they didn't mine the diamonds.
Yeah, I'm mining diamonds right now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, there's no diamonds.
I'm at 5 XP. Yay. Okay. Okay. Oh, there are more diamonds, but I'm not gonna mine them just yet, since I need to use the anvil.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop mining.
Okay. No, that's smite. Hey, you gave me back a smite. Okay, sharpness 1.
That's not me. Alright,
Okay,
good.
wasn't you? 11. 19. It costs 11 to put on knockback 2. Oh.
Knockback 2 is pretty good though.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna have to. I claim all this for myself. I need those 11 levels.
Alright, dude. I'm fine with that. Oh, there's more over where I just was, so if you want that as well. Feel free, dude.
Yep.
I'm just gonna enchant my gear.
Okay, I'm at 7. Okay. Okay. I can't find any more, so that will give
Do you
off
have
XP.
any more lapis, bro? I need one more lapis.
I have 7 lapis. Yeah,
Alright.
I can, since I'm not enchanting anymore, I'm just combining.
Sweet.
I can pass you that. Wait, just getting 8. I'm at 8 XP levels out of 11.
Alright, I need
Just
2 lapis actually.
I need 3 more levels. Okay.
Alright, I have 3 levels on me. I'll check it.
Okay, here you can take all my lapis. Since I don't have that much, that'll make up for the XP that you gave to me.
Power 1 bow. There we go. And then
Oh, you're making yourself a good bow.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do this.
Okay, I'm gonna start bridging off to the islands across. It's just our team and another team, so we have to.
Alright, dude, we have 4 people. It's actually not that bad. Surprisingly, we're not the worst.
Yeah, if I get knocked off, it will be though.
Yeah, we'll get destroyed.